In last class, we have done up to question number 2 of the exercise 11.4. Today we are going to see question number 3. See question number 3, a question. What is given Munna is to be x years? What? Munna is be x year. What? Munna is x year. So write x year. Can you guess what x minus 2 may show? We have to guess x minus 2. First, think Munna younger brother. What you have to think here? Younger brother. Can you guess x plus 4? X plus 4 and 3x plus 7. By considering Munna is, we have 2, so 3 is. First one is x minus 2, that is younger brother. Then we have 2, so x plus 4 and then 3x plus 7. So here younger brother says his younger brother age will be his younger brother age x minus 2 years. Now x plus 4 means there is a difference of 4 years. So it may be his brother, sister, you can take anyone. So we are taking here his brother. So he is 4 years older than Munna. So it will be his elder brother. His elder brother age will be x plus 4 years. Now 3x plus 7. We can consider 3x plus 7 age as his father age, mother age. You can consider anyone. So we are considering here his father age is 7 years more than 3 times 7 years more than the 3 times of Munna age. Here what will be? His elder brother is 4 years older than his age, more than his age, and here younger brother will be 2 years less than the Munna age. So according to this you have to write. So I have done question number 3a. Now moving to 3.2. Given Sarah age today be y years. What? Today Sarah age is y years. It means present condition is y years. So write it. B question. Present condition. Sarah age y years. Think of age in future or in past. What will be the expression will indicate? First expression is y plus 7. Second is y minus 3. Y 4 1 upon 2. Y minus 2 upon 2. We have to express Sarah age in this equation form. So whenever there is plus sign, that will indicate future age. So this will be the future. Plus 1 will be future. Y plus 7 means 7 years from now. So 7 years from now, that will come after 7 years. Y minus 3. This is already happened, means 3 years from, yani 3 years earlier, yeah, from back you can say. So this will be past. This will be, so two equations are indicating future and these two equations are indicating the past one. Now moving to question number C. See what is given an student in the class like football. Number of a student like football equals to n. What may 2n so? What may n upon 2 say? Think of other game other than football. So 2n. So number, suppose for this you consider cricket. So number of students like cricket games is 2 times the number of football player, and for n upon 2 you take badminton. So number of students like badminton is the half of the number of students who like football. So in this manner we have completed exercise 11.4. Now we will move to next topic. What is our next topic? See, till now in this chapter we have studied what is variable, what is constant. We have studied how to represent a given statement into equation and how to write equation into a statement. But now what we will say equation. Equation contain two parts. That is, one part will be LHS and another part will be RHS. That is separated by a equal to sign. What? By equal to sign. If another sign is there, suppose greater than, less than, not equal, these types of symbols are present in between two terms, then that expression will not be an equation. For an equation, equal to sign must be there. Means both the part. Here LHS is left hand side and RHS is right hand side. Both sides must be equal. If they are not equal, then that is not criteria or condition for an equation. But for being given expression to be an equation, this condition must satisfy. That condition is LHS equals to RHS. Now suppose we are taking x minus 3 equals to 11. X minus 3 equals to 11. Now what will be the value of x that will satisfy this expression? So one thing remember, whenever you transpose any number from one side to another side, you must remember the symbol. Suppose this side is positive, then when you will transpose to this side, when you will take it, it will become minus, minus will become plus, multiplication will become divide, and divide will become multiplication. You must remember this. Now see, x minus 3 equals to 11. So for solving an equation, you do one thing: keep one side variable and keep one side constant. So here x is variable and minus 3 is constant. So we will take this term to this side. So here minus 3. When this will come this side, it will become plus. So x plus 11 plus 3. X is equals to 14. So whenever you will put x equals to 14 in this equation, so see x minus 3 equals to 11. This is LHS, this is RHS. Now take LHS x minus 3. When you are putting x equals to 14 minus 3, 11, that is equals to RHS. So here 11, here x equals to 14 is the solution of the given equation. Suppose you are given another equation, that is 3x upon 2 plus 1 equals to 7. Find the value of x that satisfies the given equation. So here first we will take plus 1 to this side, 3x upon 2 plus 1 will become minus 1, so 3x upon 2 equals to 6. Now see, 2 is in the here in divide, so when this will come this side, it will become in multiplication. So 3x equals to 6 into 2, 3x equals to 12. Now 3 is multiplication, when this will come this side, it will be in division. So x equals to 12 upon 3, x equals to 4. So what is the solution of the given equation is x equals to 4. When we will put x equals to 4, then the condition of equation will be satisfied. Whenever you are taking another than 4, then condition will not be satisfied. Now moving to exercise, see what is given in the exercise. Exercise 11.5. State which of the following are equation with variable. Give reason for your answer. Identify the following variable from the equation with a variable. See, there are many expressions as we given. I am writing some and first is 17 equals to x plus 7. See, first condition, to be an equation there must be equal to sign in between LHS and RHS. So it is equal to sign, so it is an equation. It is an equation with variable x. Here what is variable? Variable equals to x with variable x. Moving to B question. B, t minus 7 greater than 5. See, in this expression, equation, we have more than sign. So we have not equal to sign. So this is not an equation. So it is not an equation. Now, see, 4 upon 2 equals to 2. Here LHS equals to RHS. But here we don't have any variable. So similarly, you solve each and every question given in question number first. Now complete the entries in question number 2. Complete the entries in the third column. You have C, A, B, C, D like this you have given, and equation has been given and value of variable is given. You have to find whether the equation is satisfied or not. You have to check whether LHS equals to RHS or not. So let us see some questions of this. Serial number, equation, value of variable, equation satisfied, yes or no. A, tan y is equals to 80, y equals to 10, B, I have taken some questions from the question number 2. Now, see here. Equation has been given, value of variable has been given. So we have to check LHS and RHS. So first I am taking tan LHS. LHS is tan y and y equals to 10. So 10 multiplied by 10 equals to 100. But here RHS is 80. So this is not satisfy what you will write here. No. Similarly, when you are taking tan y equals 20 and y is equals to 8. So now putting y equals to 8, 10 multiply 8 equals to 80. So 80 LHS is now it will be LHS equals to RHS. So the condition is satisfied. So this will be yes. Now moving to again D. I have taken D question. So 4L equals to 20. So LHS equals to 4L. And now what is the value of L? The value of L is given 20. So 4, 20, 80. So LHS is coming 80 and RHS is 20. So again condition is not satisfied. So this will be no. Now I have taken F. In F, LHS equals to 4L. L equals to 5. 4, 5 are 20. So LHS is 20, RHS is 20. So again here LHS equals to RHS. So our condition equation is satisfied. So what you will write? Yes. Now coming to the F question, B plus 5 equals to 9. So B plus 5. So LHS B plus 5 equals to 9. So LHS putting B equals to 5, 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So what we have? LHS equals to 10. What? We have LHS equals to 10 but RHS we have 9. So here LHS, you can also write here LHS not equals to RHS. So condition will be not satisfied. Here LHS not equals to RHS. Here LHS equals to RHS. LHS not equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Now in I, 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So LHS equals to RHS. Here LHS equals to RHS. When LHS equals to RHS means our condition is satisfied. So what you will write here? Yes. Now I is H minus 8. and h equals to 0. So h minus 8. So LHS h minus 8, putting at the value at the place of h 0, 0 minus 8 will be minus 8, and here it is 5. So LHS is not satisfy RHS. So LHS not equals to RHS. No. Now p plus 3 equals to 1. What? P plus 3 equals to 1. So p plus 3. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6. LHS not equals to RHS. So LHS not equals to RHS. So what will be the answer? No. Now p plus 3. P plus 3 equals to 1. So p plus 3. Putting minus 2 plus 3, that will be 1. So LHS, no, this will be minus 1. When you are putting minus 1, 2 is coming. So LHS not equals to RHS. So again no. When minus 2, it is here. LHS equals to RHS. Condition satisfied. So yes. So you solve the. What are the remaining questions in question number 1 and 2? Thank you. Have a nice day. Yes.